How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So let's dive in. First, open your YouTube app and then you have to click this option of your profile on the bottom right corner, and now click settings gear on the top right corner, and then it's going to bring you to this page and you have to choose this general option. And once you do so, it's going to just take you to this page. And on this page, you have to just search for this restricted mode option. And once you find it, you'll see it's turned on. And if it's turned on, it's going to be blue. To turn it off, you simply have to toggle it off by clicking it. Once you click it, it's gray, and you can now see it's gray, and that means your restricted mode is turned off. And that's how you turn off restricted mode on YouTube. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.